All right, here we go. It's actually really cool. This button, press it and it launches the outside fire. And this one, oh. But anyways, man, that is pretty cool. There's a whole bunch of little tricks and stuff. The remote looks, like I said, like a little fossil there. You press the head, does a demo. This button's on the side. It turns its head and spits out the fire. Forward, reverse, and then it has the different musics and sounds and the light on there. So yeah, pretty cool. Also has a sensor, I think, on here. So if you touch it, like, gets a little angry, attacks you. So just a really cool toy there. Whoa, calm down. Where's it going? Settle down, little guy. But for those dinosaur fans out there, like little RC toys, this thing is actually pretty cool. Looks really neat when the steam comes out there like that, or the mist. It looks like authentic, like it's like breathing fire or something. So pretty cool toy here, my friends. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you all have a great day, and I'll see you next time.